In this video, I will show how to open Google Drive in laptop. So firstly, you need to open any web browser like firstly you need to open Google browser, then click these dots and here click on Drive. So this is the first method you can open Google Drive. You can create a new file, new folder. You can upload your file by clicking New and File Upload, and also you can upload folder. Just select it and select from your PC. Another way, if you are using any another browser, so search drive.google.com and press enter. It will ask sign in process. So use your Gmail and password to sign in Google Drive. Without Gmail, you can't open Google Drive. So you need to create your account in Google Drive, a Gmail account. And if you want to learn how to create Gmail account, so check out the description video. And you can create freely your Gmail account and you can use up to 15 GB. Now to create shortcut, click on these three dots and hover cursor to save and share. And here click on create shortcut. Give a name for your shortcut, then give any name here, and also you can select open as window and create. Now this is the Google Drive shortcut. You can keep on desktop and your this taskbar. Search here Drive, right click on it, and here the option pin to start or pin to taskbar. This way. Once you need, just click on it. So this is the method you can open Google Drive in laptop. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.